Okay, welcome to week 12 of our Math and Logic class. This week we're going to finish our number bases unit. Due Monday, November 14th at 3:30 p.m. is the number bases practice test, the number bases test, Logic Gates and Computer Numbers Project Part 1, and Logic Gates and Computer Numbers Project Part 2. For the test, please remember to use the calculator to check your work. Again, I like the rapid tables one because it can do base 7 and base 4, and those other bases we don't care as much about. But please remember to check that work using a calculator. There's no reason to miss more than a couple questions on that test. I hope. The videos for the project, now, okay, those of you that did the logic project and watch the videos, you're like, this is dumb, I've seen these before, or these aren't super helpful. I think the videos for this project are much more helpful. In fact, they pretty much go through the project almost in the same order it is. Watch out for the order of the truth tables at the beginning of part 1, but there's a ton of answers in those videos. I really just want to get you familiar with this stuff. So certainly use those videos or use other resources. All the answers to all these questions should be out there somewhere on the internet, and you should be able to hopefully kind of follow the example in the problem to do the problem, or like I said, watch those videos. This week, I'm going to work on grading your problem solving problem 3 submissions and then making sure all our grades are in order heading into the last unit. As a reminder, the only place to see your overall grade is in the Pearson gradebook. It's a good idea to go in and check that, change previous 2 weeks to entire course to date, and make sure you aren't missing anything that you think you have already turned in. A couple students have found that I've forgotten to move over a project score or something. I will double check those, of course, but it never hurts to reach out and say, hey, I did the logic project. Where's my score? If you do the number basis project this week and you're wondering why the score isn't over, that'll take me a little time to check because I don't want to check every day to make sure, see who's done and port them over, but I'll be on it. Though feel free to email me anyway. Just remember, everything for this course that you want to count toward your grade has to be turned in to me by Monday, December 12th at 3:30 p.m. This is a firm due date. I'm sure a lot of you have already realized you can turn in stuff late. There's no penalty. That's fine. But December 12th at 3:30 p.m., like that's it. That's the last time. I need time to do your grading, time to put your final grades together and reach out to everyone who's done. So if you're behind, you've got to work to catch up. And if you are close to hitting that date, but something in your life came up, you can reach out, but reach out before December 12th at 3:30 p.m. Okay, that's really when I want to kind of cut off the work for this class. As always, please reach out via email if you have any questions or issues. And I hope everyone has a good week. I was going to say good time doing the logic project, but I hope that too. It's just not as realistic. Thanks, everyone.